Secondly, let's talk about how do we use 0, 0 in time expressions. For example, if we want to say 10 o'clock and 5 in Chinese, for the 10 o'clock, we can simply just say 10点, 10 o'clock. And for the 05 part, we claim the 0 clearly as well. So in Chinese, we say 05分. 05分 means 05 minute. So 10点05分 is how we say 5 past 10 in Chinese. It's slightly different from English since usually in English we don't express that 0, but in Chinese we make it clear that 0 is also pronounced. So 10点05分 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 5 past 10.